Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and Notary Public, your construction trained realtor. And having a construction trained realtor is so important on your side throughout the process, whether you're purchasing a house that is a used resale house, or you're buying new construction that's completed, or you're potentially having a house built over the course of time, which could be 6 months, it could be a year. Having a realtor that has a sharp eye for construction issues, construction defects, and stuff like that is so important. When you hire a realtor that does not have construction training, and let's face it, most of them do not, they're purely based on hype videos and hyping the greatest house, hyping the greatest neighborhood, and all that stuff, you're at a huge disadvantage throughout the process. And also keep in mind that I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for or represent any home builders.
Go to richnotohomes.com.
The best deal though is always having me on your side throughout the process, because let's face it, it's really expensive to hire somebody to come in to fix a house. And if you haven't, I suggest pricing some roofers, some siding companies, some stucco companies, call some plumbers, some electricians, and you'll see how quickly hundreds, if not thousands of dollars can be gone in the snap of a finger. So over at Cardel Homes over in Waterset, this is the Brighton 2, and we're in Apollo Beach, as I believe I mentioned during my intro speech. So let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so off to the right is the sales office, so I'm not going to be making a video of that. I'm going to kind of just go past it, so we'll check out the bedroom on the left. Okay, so you can see we got a bedroom over here. And then a full bath. And another bedroom. There's a large bedroom too, this one. Although the other bedroom looks pretty big as well. I do want to point out that you can see that there's a lot of floor space when you first walk in. So off to the right, that's the garage door. You can see we have a towel closet, and this is sales office and another bedroom. And here we got the laundry. Oh, looks like I'm walking into, I guess, the master bedroom closet. Oh, this is exciting. This is the best part when I've seen, or should I say, because I haven't seen this house, but seeing a new model for the first time. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, it's really great. Okay, so your master bedroom closet connects right around. I'm guessing this is going to go to the kitchen. Nice spacious bedroom. Yeah, you could see, look at that. Kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. So Cardel Homes. I don't know if I've been in a Cardel home. I probably have. I'm thinking maybe I couldn't get a video of the models though, because I don't think I have many of them at all. So here's some floor plans. Southampton, Northwood, and the Brighton, all the 2 model. I like that music. Oh, there's fish on the screen. That's really nice. YouTube's probably going to flag it. Probably. They seem to flag everything. There's your pantry. And let's get another view of your kitchen, living room, and dining room from this perspective. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page. If it's on the MLS, so if it's on the Florida MLS, it'll be there.